In Buzz, you can use the Activity List tab to help you quickly filter activities. To access the Activity tab, click on the Editor, and then from the tabs along the top, click on Activity List. From here, you can filter by title, by type, or by location. If your organization uses periods, you can also filter by grading periods. If, for example, I want to find all of my assessments, I can then choose all of my assessments, I can delete them, or I can bulk edit. From here, you'll have several options. You can change the activity visible to certain roles. You can change the location if that's available. You can remove due dates, allow late submissions, passing score, grading category, grading period, assessment password, and number of attempts. And then you'll need to state that you're aware of these changes before you update them. And when you're ready, you click Update.